Partner straight arm plank taps is a fun core strengthening exercise that can be completed with a partner. If you don't have access to a partner, you can simply complete this straight arm plank tap. By adding the hand taps, you create more instability, thus requiring your core to work harder to stabilize your body. To get started, get into a push-up position with your toes and hands planted into the floor, directly below your shoulders, feet shoulder-width apart, and your body forming a straight line from heels to head. Your partner should be facing you, positioned just an arm's length away. Contract your abs, glutes, hamstrings, quadriceps, chest, and every other muscle in your body to create a flat body. Once you're ready, lift one hand off the ground and extend your arm forward as you reach across your body to tap your partner's opposite hand, then press your hand back into the floor and repeat the tap with the opposite hand. Focus on keeping your core and glutes contracted to reduce any shifting of the hips during the taps. The goal is to keep your hips square to the ground with your body in a straight line. Repeat for time or reps. Subscribe to get a new exercise video every day.